Yo, this is RV, and today I'm doing a review of the movie uh, Ruhi. Ruhi is a 2021 Netflix movie, so you can watch it on Netflix. It's a dark comedy genre movie, and the highlight of the movie is the actors, which are Rajkumar Rao and Varun Sharma, and the actor is Janvi Kapoor. So. Okay, so now this movie was set to be released in theaters, but due to the pandemic and due to the new lockdowns in 2021 in India, it was released exclusively on Netflix. So you can watch it on Netflix. It won't be available anywhere else. And the thing is, now this movie is somewhat like Stree, which is also a Rajkumar Rao starter movie, and the actress is Shraddha Kapoor. It's not as good as Three, but the movie is somewhat like it, and it has had some success, and you'll enjoy watching the movie first of all. Now, many of the characters are similar to the movie's Three. So I'll just enumerate them. So the plot of the movie is set up in Bagadpur. It's a village in somewhere in North India, and there's a custom there where girls are always kidnapped and they are forced to get married to by whoever whom they are being kidnapped. So this is like a custom and tradition which they follow, and they do not even resist it. So obviously this is all fiction, and there's no such village and no such customs existing here in India. This is just for the plot and the story. So yeah, so Rajkumar Rao and Varun Sharma, these work under an agency which helps kidnap girls, and these are the star reporters of this agency, and uh, and this movie highlights all the qualities of the village, the tradition, the customs, the local language they have adopted well. Rajkumar Rao and Varun Sharma, the acting is awesome as always, and they have their dialogues, their accent, what they've got, the village accent, the village customs, the wear style, the walking style, and everything else. Varun Sharma and Rajkumar Rao have adopted well, and they have acted very well in the movie. So the entire story is nice, and Ruhi is name of Janvi Kapoor, and the thing is, she is possessed by a spirit which is known by these two at later stage. And why is she possessed? Because she's a little ill. She is kidnapped by Varun Sharma and Rajkumar Rao, and she 1 year before this kidnapping, she was to get married to someone, but her to be husband, on the day of marriage, found out that she is possessed by a spirit. And now, why is she possessed by a spirit? The spirit wants to get married. She's desperate to get married. So this is how the thing goes. So and she appears time to time expressing her will for getting married. Now nobody wants to get married to such a witch, such a chudel, obviously. So everyone, so she suffers the wrath of this chudel, and psychiatrists and doctors cannot do anything, and she remains aloof from all her family members because of this situation. And in midst of this situation, these two kidnap Ruhi. So now in the process, the abductor and the abductee, abductor are Rajkumar Rao and Varun Sharma. Now Rajkumar Rao falls in love with Janvi Kapoor, the original Ruhi, and Varun Sharma falls in love with the Chudel. Now here is the twist. Varun Sharma is a very good actor, comedy wise. He debuted first through Fukre 1 and 2. Both, if you haven't watched Fukre, you should watch it. It's very comic and it's very nice. Varun Sharma exceptionally has done good acting in Fukre. So so this is the twist. Varun Sharma falls in love with the Chudel, and Rajkumar Rao falls in love with the original Ruhi. Now, all the customs and Bhoot Bhagav mantra and customs and traditions and the are highlighted in this movie, which is done in the village. And through the whole story, there are little twists. You cannot predict the story. That's a main plus point of this story. And the execution is very well done. I mean, the story is fine, the theme is fine, it is very well based, it has good pillars, but the execution is very well done. I mean, to make such a movie where you cannot predict some events, and that is what people prefer to watch, because it's unpredictable, right? Because it generates curiosity, it keeps you to the ground, keeps you to itself, so that you watch the movie. So I won't reveal the end, the climax, but it's a comedy slash dark comedy, and Rajkumar Rao and Varun Sharma have exceptionally done very good acting. So you should watch this movie. It's more than one time watch movie. It's complete entertainer. The direction, cinematography, and story are all good. Script is exceptionally fine. The execution, the cinematography are exceptionally good. The acting is exceptionally good as always, because Rajkumar Rao, Varun Sharma never fall behind. They do. They are very good actors. Janvi Kapoor, obviously, she is the lead actress, but she has a long way to go. She is young and she has time. So yeah. IMDb has rated 4.3, but I don't agree. It should have at least been around 5.5 or something. Critics' choice rating, my critics' choice rating would be around 2.5 stars, and viewers' choice rating would be around 2.75 stars. So yeah. And the USP of the movie is the local culture, the local language, the local dialogue. Script is very good, and the acting of these actors. So you should watch this movie. It's nice, fun to watch, and time pass. So I think I've covered everything and all. So peace out.